Hey guys, me, Benicio Bugatti. I'm back with another video. I'm doing a food review. I have a lot of food, and like beverages and stuff. Okay, because I usually don't eat this much food when I eat, but I'm just doing it because it's a food review. So, my friend Jordan, he did one. He did a food review. I have to say, it was hilarious. So, so I'm going to tell you where I got this. So, see this? It's frozen Kool-Aid jammer, see? Frozen. Okay? And then this pizza was from, what is it called? Papa Murphy's, yeah. That, I was going to say Pizza Hut. And then this is rice pudding. The brand is Cozy Shack. Yeah, it's, rice pudding. And then I have my Menchie spoon. You need Menchies. You need part of a Menchie's in there. So I'm going to use this with this. And then I have my pizza. I put a little pesto on there. Yeah, to make good. And then I got this. It's made out of wax. And then inside there's juice, so it's like hollow. And then there's juice. And then you bite off the top and drink it. Then I got some apple juice that I almost died from last night when I did the challenge. Then I got my spoon. Yeah, that's a teddy bear. And this thing is Yep. Okay, so first, this is going to be like my dessert, right? This area is going to be my dessert. This is going to be my beverage. This is going to be my main meal. So, first, I'm going to start with my triple meat pizza. It has some beef, some sausage, pepperoni, cheese. Dig in. So good. The best. I recommend when you go getting this. This is really good. See, look. That's what it looks like. These look like tater tots, but they're pieces of sausage. And this is food review part 1. I'm going to do part 2. I'm going to be eating this and dessert, and then I'm going to get an orange. So this is part 1. So good. Muy bueno. Muy bueno. A really big bite. So good. And if you're wondering what that green stuff is, it's pesto. You know what that is? Well, if you don't, it's really good. And pesto smells good. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. There's a little hole, see? Oh. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye.